What's up, guys? I hope you're having a fantastic day today. Hope you're locking in some profits and doing some investing. It's really just the best way to live. And yeah, I'm going to walk you through, in today's video, I'm going to walk you through everything that I like to do on a daily basis, some of the checks I like to do, some of my reinvestment options, and some of the things I'm investing in. And just a reminder, we are doing a $100, 100 subscriber giveaway. So at 100 subscribers, we're going to give $100 in Bitcoin away. It's about 1,400 Rand. So please, go subscribe down below, like the video, share the channel. It really helps us all just benefit. Yeah, I'm just really excited to get into things with you guys today. So to start off, I'm just going to kind of take you through my daily process and tell you some of my goals about what I'm looking to do and cover some of my profits and some of my investments with you, just so you can get a good feeling of it and just get more comfortable with the ideas of the idea of the platforms we use and just kind of just get comfortable with everything. So to start off, I'm going to touch on the Bitcoin price and what market we're in right now. So the first thing I do every day is I come and open up my coin market cap over here, and obviously you get the readouts for the day. So right now, Bitcoin is in a buyer's market. As you can see, there is a massive spike up here, and then it dips down below on this graph over here. Bitcoin hit a high of about $18,000, and since then it's kind of just been consolidating, which you do expect to see after a massive spike. So it's kind of consolidated down to about 15,000, and right now it is definitely in a buyer's market, because it is going to be hitting those all-time highs again and climbing even higher than that as per usual. So right now Bitcoin is definitely in a buyer's market, and yeah, it's a good time to invest if you're thinking about it. It's never too late to invest in Bitcoin. The highs are always going to keep coming, and if to put it in perspective, if you had invested even at the start of the month, so I mean, okay, not the start of December, but let's say from a month from now, so 30 days ago, if you had invested in Bitcoin 30 days ago, you would have had a 90% return on your capital. So all those people out there that are always saying, is it too late to invest? It's so expensive now. Like, is it even worth it anymore? It is always worth it, guys. I continuously buy when it's in a buy state, and every single time I'm seeing real profits on those buys. So there's no question about it. Now after that, I like to come and check my Hashflare and see what's going on with my Hashflare. Obviously, I've gotten a payout. I've gotten a couple payouts in the last few days. So today I'm going to be looking to reinvest. Now, what you do notice here is in your dashboard up here, there is a reinvest option, and you can set it so that it reinvests whenever you have an amount that's high enough to reinvest. I would be doing that, but the reason I don't is because I like to come and buy here on video, just show you guys like the daily progress or the updates that I like to get. So as you can see, I have about 0.18 Bitcoin here. Let me just go to my Bitcoin to Rand calculator just to break that down. I have about 4,000 Rand sitting in my Hashflare. That's generated through mining. So I've earned about 4 grand here through mining, and yeah, I'm just basically going to reinvest that. And yeah, let's go do that for now. My goal for Hashflare is to get up to 20 terahash. So at the moment I have 7. I want to get to 20 terahash by like January roundabout, and then from getting 20 terahash in Hashflare, I'm looking to get about 15 to 20 in Genesis mining after that. I'll explain all those goals and what the payouts will be for those amounts towards the end of the video. But for now, just know that I have 7 and the goal is definitely 20. I am looking to reinvest in these platforms. They are extremely profitable. I'm not looking to cash out whatsoever. So come over here and I have 0.18. So let's go for, okay, that's 0.185. I have 186. Okay, cool. So I'm about 1.9 terahash. For $285. Let's see how much that is. Dollar to Rand, $285. Yeah, just under 4 grand, 3,900 Rand. So let's go do that quickly. Proceed. Select payment method. Okay, I can't pay with my balance because of fees, because it comes out to 186. So I'm going to drop it by 1 and then go ahead with the transaction. So by hash rate, SHA-256. Let's go for a 1.8 upgrade. That should be just enough. Okay, select payment method, and as you can see, because I have enough in my wallet, I can pay from balance. So I'm going to go ahead and select that, and that should come straight through. It's very easy once you're using your balance. Obviously, you can also just select any payment method you want, but this is how I choose to reinvest as opposed to reinvesting daily, I like to keep track of my returns and keep track of how much money I have into a platform. So I like to go and manually do the purchase. Are there any benefits to that? No, not. There's no benefits to manually selecting reinvest every time you have the amounts in your wallet, or whether you go and do it by yourself. I just like to keep track of it and know exactly how much I'm putting in and exactly when I'm doing it, and just helps me keep track of everything rather nicely. So I'm going to go ahead and click confirm here. And that should come straight through. Let's see. There we go. Okay, it's done. That's going to adjust shortly. Oh, instantly actually. 8.8 terahash over here. And I'll work out my daily payout increase from that in a little bit. Let me just touch on one thing. This notification up here, dear users, due to the high load of Bitcoin, blah, 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 blah. Basically what that's saying, just because some people have asked me about it, all that's saying is when you make a transaction on Bitcoin, it has to get confirmed by miners. So we're mining down here, that's what's paying us out Bitcoin. So if you put a transaction into the Bitcoin log, it has to have confirmation by miners in order to actually send it through. That's how the whole system works. So basically what this was saying is people are putting through really small transactions, and obviously the higher the transaction, the higher priority it has. So all the little transactions that were building up at the bottom kind of backlogged everything. So what they've done is increased it to a higher amount so that it starts clearing faster. So is this going to affect your payouts? Not at all. It just means that you can't withdraw until you have a higher amount, but it's only for a certain period so that the system isn't getting all clogged up. And this isn't just on Hashflare, this is on every single mining website, and anything transacting with Bitcoin is actually having a bit of a congestion at the moment, just because it's being spammed by low fee transactions, and those obviously don't take a priority, so they build up quickly. So just that just covers that. So today I've come and checked I've checked out my Hashflare. I've obviously made my reinvestment. I will be calculating how much that's going to earn me at the end, but for now, let's move on to Bitconnect. So, just to preference this video, by the way, I did not come in and check all my stuff. I just logged into my platforms. This is my daily process that I'm going through with you, just so you know exactly what I go through every single day when it comes to my investments. So I come over here to Bitconnect, and I see that today, I do this every single day, so this is accumulated since yesterday. Today I've been paid out $23. And what I'm going to do is go and check my investment amounts. So I've got a $1,260 active investment, and in, I think it's been about 2 weeks now, so about $100 a week, I've earned $200. So yeah, that works out to about $100 a week. And obviously the more I reinvest, the more that amount keeps building up. So what I'm going to go do is click my reinvest option, because I have $20, and I'm going to drop in my $20 here. So total $20 investment. Click reinvest, confirm, and let's go check out my payment. Let's refresh. So from $1,260 to $1,280. So that was a nice little payout. That's $20, and let's go check what my last Hashflare payout was as well. So I just want to work out how much I earned in the last day. That's what I like to do after I've covered my platform. So Bitcoin to Rand calculator. Go into that. That's 233 Rand, and $20 from Bitconnect was 273 Rand. So I've earned just over 500 Rand in the last day that I could easily withdraw. Obviously, I've just chosen to reinvest it, but I could have just sent it through to my wallet, sold it off, and boom, that's 500 Rand in my account. I don't like to do that. I like to use my investments to scale up my other platforms. So yeah, I am definitely in a reinvesting stage right now. And yeah, that's pretty much my daily process when it comes to Hashflare and Bitconnect. Once I'm done that, I instantly go over to Genesis Mining just to see if they have contracts. I check that every single day because obviously I want to be able to report on it as soon as they come up for you guys. So I come over here to Genesis Mining, go to pricing, and if there are contracts available, which there are not, it'll start at Bitcoin. So if I go through all of these, they are out of stock, unfortunately. Monero is the only one that's still in stock, but personally I only like to focus on Bitcoin mining. Sometimes I might switch my miners to mines for Ethereum, but not very often. Mainly I'm just focusing on Bitcoin, and I mean, why wouldn't I? Look at this king of the list, $257 billion market cap, and you know, we saw all-time highs this week of $18,000. Like less than 2-3 weeks ago, it hadn't even hit $10,000 yet, and now it's pushing for 20. So yeah, that is absolutely fantastic. The price has obviously dropped quite a lot. Let's see. So as you can see on this graph, it hit an all-time high of just under 18,000. Oh no, never mind. It actually surpassed it, $18,300, and it's since dropped to about 15,300. Is it going to keep dropping? Honestly, not for very long. How I like to judge that is with this little W pattern. Whenever you see this W, so it corrects down instantly, it builds up a little bit, and then corrects upwards again. So I always look for a nice little W pattern, and that's my indicator of when it's going to start climbing again. So it might dip a little bit more, but I'm not expecting it to dip much, and then we're going to hit our next climb. And honestly, do I see $20,000 in that climb? I definitely do. We are definitely going to be hitting $20,000 by the end of September. I mean, end of December. It's such a small increase that it needs to take that I'm willing to bet Bitcoin is going to be sitting at $20,000 by the end of December, and that's going to be great for locking in some profits. Whenever the price of Bitcoin goes up, you know, your Bitcoin wallet payouts come up, your Hashflare wallets come up. So, you know, that passive income just keeps coming in the more Bitcoin keeps pushing for you. Another thing I like to check every single day, I like to know for the next day what my Bitconnect payout's going to be. So I come into the volatility software. As you can see, the $20 I earned today was because I earned 1.58% on my money. Tomorrow I'm getting 1.23%. So we're going to be looking at just under $20, but basically in that $20 ballpark yet again. So another 270, 280 Rand coming in again tomorrow. That's always good to know. As you can see, the Bitconnect has been going rather well this week. You know, we had one low of 0.19, so that was one bad trading day. But for the last 3 days, we're looking at over 1%, and earlier in the week, we were just bordering up to that 1%. So that's been going fantastic. Now we're going to come over to our mining calculator. Obviously, we've just reinvested in Hashflare, so I want to calculate how much this 8.8 is going to earn me, and I'm also just going to do some quick maths about when it's going to pay itself off. So 8,800, my power, I don't have to pay, they pay that. 0, power cost 0, pool fees, on Hashflare it's 20%, on Genesis Mining it's 28%, and my hardware cost, initially for the 7 terahash it was $1,050, and I just reinvested about another $270. So we're just going to average it up to $1,300. So with that cost, Hashflare is going to pay its. I'm going to break even in 72 days. So in 72 days, it would have paid all that money back, and then the remaining 280 days of the year are all going to be profit. So let's take a look. With my new 8.8 terahash on Hashflare, I'm going to be earning $535 a month. Let's go take a look at what that equates to. So with my new investment, I'm going to be earning 7,320 Rand every single month just from Hashflare. Obviously, I still have my Bitconnect working for me. I still have my Genesis Mining working for me. I'm still holding Bitcoin, so every time the price goes up, I still get a profit there. And I just hope this shows you how much potential and how much value you can actually get out of cryptocurrency. I mean, just through these platforms, which are all related to crypto, I'm earning profits across the board, continuously, monthly, daily, hourly. No matter what I do, if I go now and decide to have a nap for 2 hours, I can guarantee you I would have earned money doing it. And that is one of the most fantastic feelings in the world. I also do just want to mention 19 of you guys that are watching my videos actually subscribed and invested to Hashflare. So for all 19 of you, I know you've been getting your daily payouts. We all have, and I hope you've been enjoying it and just getting used to that sensation of just waking up or going for a drink or sitting down having a cup of coffee, and the next time you look, you're earning money for doing absolutely nothing. You put your money up front in the beginning, and whenever you log in, you've earned yourself a little bit more, and it's just such a fantastic feeling. I've been trying to make these videos a little bit shorter. I don't know if I honestly don't know what the length of this video is at right now. I'm hoping it's shorter, but who knows, I'll be able to judge when it goes into editing. But yeah, I am trying to keep them shorter for you guys, but I do just want to say, thank you for always joining me. Thank you for supporting. Please share the channel. I mean, if you're making it this far, you're obviously enjoying the videos, so I really appreciate that, and just share it. But let's build a community for ourselves, and also just remember that at 100 subscribers, we're giving away $100 in Bitcoin, which is about 1,400 Rand for doing nothing but being a subscriber and supporting us. So, please give the video a like, give it a share, subscribe, and just have a fantastic day. Keep locking in those profits and keep doing you. We're all here to be successful, and I'm so glad I can join you guys in your journey and that you can join me on mine. I really look forward to seeing you next video, and just please enjoy locking in those profits, guys. I'll see you soon.